Okay. So hello everyone. So now, last time we discussed about the fundamental accounting principles. So they are connected how there is a factorial notation. Also connect ni principle or fundamental accounting principles ni factorial notations later. So the factorial of an integer k is the product of all integers from 1 to k. It's usually denoted as k or siya ka ng exclamatory. Hindi siya mura. Exclamatory siya nga ano pa sa lana. That's kapagbasa na is k factorial. So pasabutan niya class is Harisiki is a number na siya. Okay? Kung, for example, if kana is 5, so from 1 to 5, so ibutan yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano siya? That's a factorial. Like for example, 7 factorial. So yung button na kasi 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They multiply. So that's 5,030. 5 factorial. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So pag i-multiply na, that's 120. So that's my factorial notation. Okay. So properties of factorial notation. The factorial operation is not distributive. Hindi siya pwede distributive property. For example, kani 5 minus 2 niya, yung gibot, kay gibutang 5 factorial, kani 3 factorial, dili. Dili siya distributive. Una, isolve sa ninyong masulod, and mo na yung factorial. Okay? Kaya kung kani kas, pag kani yung buhaton, pag yung i-distribute mo, dako ang answer. Kani mo mas gamay. Okay? The factorial operation cannot be performed on non-integers numbers. For example, kani 2.5 square root of 6, dili na siya pwede ha. Dapat atong mga ano yun, atong number lang din siya. Dili siya walay mga point, walay function, walay naka-square root. Okay, that's pure number lang din siya. Okay? Next is, again, properties yapon. The factorial notation precedes multiplication and or division. 5 factorial, tapos 3 factorial. Dili siya equal kay 5 times 3 factorial. Ay, bawal na siya. 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Di ko na siya equal kay 8 over 2 factorial. And also, 0 factorial is equal to 1. Take note of that. Okay? Always take note of that. Okay? Next. So, n factorial is equal to n minus 1 factorial, so on and so forth. So, na yung pagkuha. So, this property is very crucial in making cancellation in factorial expression. Okay, properties of factorial notation upon, for example, kani class, uh, fi- uh, di ba, 18 factorial. 18, pag kani siya, kaya usay operation na niya gamit na to, division. Tama? So, si 18 factorial is equal to 18, 15, 16. I-stop niya si 15 factorial para makancel ang sa ubos. Mawala. Kaya nga naman, kana siya 15 to 1, kaya 15 to 1, so cancel. So, ang nabili na lang is, ano, 18 times 17 times 16, and that would be 489. So, that would be, okay, both permutations and combination using accounting method of a factorial. So, in the next video na po sa permutation and combination, magamit na nato dira si fundamental accounting principle and also this factorial notation. So, I hope na mo na learn and thank you and God bless everyone.